Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and you're getting an F07 error on the display and you're trying to figure out what is this error and how do I get rid of the error. So what this error is basically that the dryer senses that it's getting the wrong electricity. So there might be some kind of miswired issue with the dryer. So if you've hardwired it, you're gonna need to turn power off and make sure that you have wired things properly into your circuit box. But otherwise, this could also be caused by, for example, if you're not using a strong enough extension cord, try plugging it in without the extension cord. It could also be caused by other issues, like if you're on some kind of autonomous power, like solar or something like that. If it's not getting the right juice, it might give you this error. There are some other kind of more rare things, like if you bought your dryer in one country and you're trying to use it in another country, the different electric protocols can cause this kind of error to come up. But basically you need to check the wiring and make sure that all the wiring is done properly on your dryer.